Hey guys, here we go again. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time I'm demonstrating an Audiovox home unit. It's a pretty simple stereo unit, just a track change button and track lights, nothing fancy there. So let's just pop in some Neil Sedaka and make sure it works before we send her back. Okay, that's pretty much it. There's not much to test on a standalone component 8-track player. So she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to probably take the rest of the day off because it is Sunday. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and if you would like my service, please visit the website in the description below and print out a work order. Doing those two things will answer most likely all of your questions so that you don't need to take me off the bench for 15-20 minutes with a phone call asking me about your preliminary questions. Most customers ask the same questions over and over, so please go to the website and have those same questions answered without my involvement, and then I'm happy to talk to you. Once you've been to my website and printed out a work order, I'm happy to talk to you after that. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, John, for your business all the way from Burleson, Texas, and we'll see you guys next time.